There's so many colors, but now it's all pink. Oh no, we need some more pink and more purple. Ew, now I look like poop.
It's Elli TV!
Hi guys, it's Elli. We're going to tell us about ice cream and we're going to Easter. And what's it going to try? We're going to colors with ice cream. And we're not doing gummy bears, we're doing ice cream. Okay, let's count. I'm going to count right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, start with red. Careful, you guys. This is my card when I spill it. This is red. Okay, let me get it. Ew. Ew. Okay, guys, I had to use it. Okay, it's not working. Let's do. Ew, get that. That's the red. That's it. I'm gonna do the orange. This is orange. Okay, let me just get it. Oh, where's that? Oh, I think I need to scoop it. Oh yeah. All done. The next color is yellow. See guys, it's yellow. Now let's see if it pulls. I'm just gonna do it too fast. Ah! It does pull. Okay, it's yellow. Now let's pull green. Green. Whoa! Green. Now it's time for blue. Blue is my favorite color. Let's see if it pulls. Blue is so much fun. All done. It's purple. Now let's scoop it. Then we're gonna do pink, and then we're gonna store all the colors and make it to a rainbow. And after that, just left pink, black, and brown. Brown. Pink! Oh, it's mixed with purple. I think it's not gonna be good with brown and black. It's gonna get horrible. All done. Wait, let me stir it all around. I cannot see the pink and the purple anymore. There's so many colors, but now it's all pink. Oh no, we need some more pink and more purple. Ew, now I look like poop. Okay, ew. See, it looks like poop. Ew. This is black. That's black. But there's more. Okay. Here's black. Since it's a bad color, we need black. Okay. I think we need more brown, and here it is. Brown. I'm just gonna pull it in. Ew. Let's get it with it still. Ooh, yeah, it's much better when I store it. I'm baking the cakes. And then I'm going to eat it in the video. I want to make it darker pink. I need some darker pink. Oh yeah, maybe I can put some yellow in. Good job. No yellow. Let's see if it turns to yellow. Hey guys, let's try it, but first let's get mustard so it's not too. Let's see if it needs a bit more then. It don't taste good. This needs a bit more stuff. Okay, good. I'm gonna try it. It tastes good, but it's not ready yet. I'm gonna take a big scoop. Let's taste it. My favorite. It's so good. I like ice cream, but I'm not gonna eat it anymore. I just want to taste it. Bye guys, thanks for watching. What's number 2 on the next video?
Hey guys, make sure you check out our other videos on the screen to see more of Elli TV. She's kind of wild and crazy, but we love her. Also, make sure you check out our main channel, The Nya and Elli Toy Show, and her sister's channel, Nya TV. See you guys soon. Have fun!